Hello everyone, here we start with the topic Properties of Indifference Curve Part 1. This question is really important and it can come for 3, 4 or 5 marks and every property can be asked separately. So you should very well prepare that with detail. So here we come with the first property. Indifference curve is negatively sloped. Negatively means downward. An indifference curve slopes downward from left to right due to inverse relationship between the consumption of two goods. Kindly mention the word consumption specially because I see the consumption concept. Plus, whenever we ask why a curve is downward, the reason is always the inverse relationship between the things on x-axis and y-axis. I hope you take care of that. Now we see this through an example. As we take combinations A, B, C and D, consumption of good X increases from 1 to 4, but as you can see, consumption of good Y decreases from 8 to 2, showing the inverse relationship between them. The same thing can be seen on the diagram as you can see on the screen. Now the first point says in the diagram above, good X and good Y are taken on Y axis and X axis respectively. IC is the indifference curve. The second point says the diagram shows that to consume the more commodity of good Y, the consumer has to sacrifice the units of good X. Next, third point says, thus, this shows the inverse relationship between the consumption of two goods. Now we come on to the second property which says two indifference curves never intersect. Two ICs do not intersect each other. This can be proved by the contradiction method. First, we will assume that two ICs intersect each other. In the following diagram, you can see let A be the point on IC1, let B be the point on IC2, let E be the point of intersection of two ICs. Can you see that on diagram? Yeah. So for IC1, level of satisfaction at point A is equal to level of satisfaction at point E. Why is it so? Because these are the 2 points on same IC and points on same IC provide equal level of satisfaction which we have done in the earlier PPTs. Similarly for IC2, level of satisfaction at point B is equal to level of satisfaction at point E. Therefore, from 1 and 2 we can say level of satisfaction at point A is equal to level of satisfaction at point B, which is not possible as the 2 points A and B lie on 2 different ICs. Hence, 2 ICs cannot intersect each other. How will you present these properties in exams? If one property comes for 3 or 4 marks, you have to write down the main property. Then you have to give the reasons if any. Then you have to give schedule if any, like we have done in the previous 2 properties. Then you have to draw the diagram and you have to explain them. And always explain in detail. I hope you like the video by Ridhima Sharma classes. For more videos, kindly visit our website acadher.com. Thank you.